I'm Max Sterling, welcome to LarpMix. My new friends at Armstreet sent me this incredible tunic to check out and show to all of you. It's called Bjorn The Woodman, and this is probably the best piece of LARP gear that I own. The construction is just phenomenal, and I'm going to show you all the trim here in a minute, but let me go and tell you a little bit about Armstreet. They were founded in 2003. They do all of their designs and create everything that they sell in-house. So that means that you can customize just about everything. They have lots of different color options, and it's just a very pleasant and good company to deal with, and I feel like their prices are very fair. They create awesome stuff for boffer LARPs, but they also make a lot of historically accurate pieces as well. So if you're in the SCA or do HEMA or HMB or something, you can use their armor and their clothing. It'll all fit whatever your rule set is, and there's something really for everyone on their site. And just the craftsmanship and the time and attention to detail is amazing, and I will definitely be a customer of theirs for years to come. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this tunic though. Bjorn the Woodman. And just take a look here at this sleeve. Now this is natural flax linen, and there's two types of trim. The cuffs and the hem of the tunic are decorated with this second layer of linen here, and that makes them prevent stains and also makes them a little bit more durable. But all this trim that they make is just amazing, and it feels just incredible on you, and it's definitely very period. This particular tunic's design is historically accurate, is based on excavations at Birka, Sweden, and this is something that you could really just wear anywhere you go and be 100% comfortable that your kit is on point. And I don't know how to thank them enough, because this is really amazing. I sent them my sizes. They were able to accommodate my forms, which are a little bit bigger when they created it, and it just fits amazing. Just this attention to detail, this little line here, the trim, the dragon theme, just very, very cool. I'll include links below, obviously, so you can check out this particular tunic, but also look at the rest of their store and see what they have to offer. Everything that they sell that I've seen is just amazing. I really think that you should check them out. Please like this video, subscribe, check out Armstreet's site, and of course, as always, adventure on.